What's going on, folks? John Daylight here, giving you the updated scores for WrestleMania. In the opening match of night one, we had, the Vision versus LA Knight and the Usos. I had the Usos, Connor had the Usos, Stevie Legend had the Vision, Albert had the Usos, and Sean Morris had the Vision. Me, Bert, and Connor all put 6 points on the line, while Stevie put 9 and Morris put 4. So they didn't get those points, but we got our sixes, right? Going into the second match, I had Fat Two. We all had Fat Two across the board, right? So I had 13 points, which is the highest point value of the weekend that you could put on any match. Connor had Fat Two, had five points. Stevie had 10. Bert had 2. Morris had 5. Third match, at least third match on our board. Like we kind of had it out of order, I think. Um, we all had Morgan across the board. I had 3 points. Connor had 3 points. Legend had 6 points. Bert had 9 points, and Morris had 7 points. AJ versus Becky. I had Becky. Connor and Stevie both had AJ, and then Morris and Bert both had Becky. It was my 5 point value. I think that's Connor's 8 point. The glare I can't see what Stevie's is. I think it's 4. Um, Bert's was 3 points, and Morris's was 8. Sorry, I didn't record. Didn't think of this through. Um, Gunther versus Rollins. I had Gunther. Connor had Gunther. Both Bert and Legend had Rollins, and Morris had Gunther. So I had my 9. Connor had his 2. Stevie had his 2. It looks like it's Bert's 13, and Morris had 9. Cody versus Randy. We had. I had Warren. We all had Warren except for Connor. All right. It was my 8 pointer. It was Stevie's 11 pointer. It was Bert's 8 pointer. It was Sean Morris's 10 pointer. It was Connor's 9 pointer having Cody Rhodes. And in the women's tag team match, we the way that we did it, it's going into the weekend with all the rumors and stuff. We said no matter what, if you say that Bellas, however that tag team is, if it's they're completely replaced, if just Nikki's replaced, didn't matter. Like you took that team. I had the Bellas, Bert had the Bellas, and so did Stevie. Connor had Becky and Lyra. Sorry, Bailey and Lyra, excuse me. Um, and Sean Morris had Charlotte. It was my 1 pointer. It was Stevie's 8 pointer. It was Bert's 1 pointer. It was Connor's 1 pointer, and I think that's Morris's 3 pointer. So going into night 2, uh, I believe I'm in the lead statistically, but I'm also like because of the fact of the point value usage, like I could be in danger going into tonight. So we'll see what happens. Happy WrestleMania Sunday.